Thank you for tuning my channel. Today I am going to explain how to reset any 9200, 9300 Cisco Catalyst switch. First method is a password method. If you know the password, first you have to open your device manager, see which COM port you have connected the console cable. Console cable can be USB-C, mini or micro, or a serial USB cable. Once you figure out, download the software called Putty. Putty is open source. Just open Putty and just select the COM port you are connecting the switch. Connect the switch console port of the switch with the computer. Select the COM port. If you know the password, just enter the password and log on to the switch. Once you log on to the switch, type EN and follow the instruction you will see on the screen. The command is simple: PNPA space service space reset, enter. After this command, when you will enter, switch will take 4 to 5 minutes to restart. Sometime you will feel that the switch stuck. Don't worry, just leave it as it is. If it's stuck longer, very long, like 5 to 10 minutes, then hit a reload or boot command. If you see this message, it means it's good to go. Second method is without knowing the password. Without knowing the password, you will connect your switch as you did it on a stage first. Here you will see a small tiny button. I'm turning and make sure your putty is on. You will press the reset button and then you will plug the power in. Make sure use a pen or pin, because this button should be pressed all the way inside. If you're using your finger or something, it's not gonna work. As soon you see the switch dots, switch column, mean you are on the right spot. You will see in few seconds. Here, leave the button, do not unplug anything, leave it as it is. And now you have to type command. Command is switch underscore ignore underscore startup underscore CFG is equal to 1. No matter you type in a capital or a small letter, doesn't matter. Our second command after that, once you hit enter, boot space slash colon packages.conf and enter. If it's boots, good. If not, you can enter. It should reboot the switch. If it's not, you can enter on the next screen boot. I'm going to fast forward. This gonna take 5 to 7 minutes, depend on the switch speed, but depends, maybe take more than that. And do not worry that if you believe that command be not been taken, you have to be patient. Once you see your switch name, here you have to type WR-MEM or write memory. I mean, you will type, of course, enable it, and then you will type it. All the information on the screen. And once you type this, type PNPA service, PNPA space service space reset. And it will ask you confirmation, press yes. I'm using fast forward again, take a few minutes. And once you say that, do you want an initial config page or something, it means your switch is good to go. This is good to go. You all set. Please subscribe my channel. I will leave complete detail. Thank you. Have a good day.